assuming compliance, sorry. Yung nag-assume kayo na, ginawa na namin yan. Okay? So, caution against assuming that the past practices are still compliant with the current rules. Okay? Huwag ho tayo mag-assume. Example, ang assumption ho natin, yung mga doktor, alam nila yung mga PhilHealth matters. Alam nila yan, mga doktor. Gagaling yan mga doktor eh. Hindi ho nila alam yan. Okay? Karamihan ho dyan, chismis, assumption. Okay? Katuwaan namin, most of it galing sa OR and then pinasa-pasan na ho yan. So, do not assume yung compliance. Okay? If you want your claims to get paid, if you want sustainability sa revenue, okay, avoid assumption. Okay? Ito, no training on medical evaluation. Pinag-usapan na natin. Shortcut or no documentation, iwasan ho ninyo yan. Common ho ito sa mga residents or mga doctors na medyo tamad-tamad. Okay? Sa mga masterclass ko, we identify the lazy doctors because dito ho kayo malugi sa kanila. When your doctors do everything shortcut, okay, it doesn't go well. When your doctors' documentation is shortcut, it will not provide proof of quality service. Therefore, you don't get paid. So ako, I tell my clients, let's identify this bunch of people and call their attention. Okay? If they will not follow, I practically recommend, sir, I tell the board, if you can you kick out this group, this bunch of people because they are the reason you're losing millions. Yan ho yun. But of course, it is not that harsh. Okay? Ang iba naman kasi, pag naturuan mo, naaayos naman. Okay. Next po. Okay? Eto. Clinicians take audit for granted. Okay? Again, I don't blame them. Kasi hindi ho yan tinuro sa kanila. So that is why you need to sit down with your doctors and discuss it. Kailangan lang ho nilang ma-inform, kailangan lang ng increase of awareness. Now, this increase of awareness will never happen if the hospital top management themselves fail to understand the value of training the doctor. So, there's no plan and there's no strategy because it will emanate from top management. And this is also very important, neglecting patient engagement. Now, a lot of the claims ends up returned or denied because of failure to complete the information coming from the patient. Okay? 45 days, single period of confinement, previous admission, etc. Okay?